Today is a special day. It means a lot. It means a lot to me. About a year ago today, I was sitting out on that back fence line back there trying to start up a Firebird formula that had been sitting for 17 years. It's not about that. It's not about that at all. It's about something bigger, something more important. Today is Memorial Day. It's a day to honor the men and women that have served in our United States military forces. It's a day to honor those that have served. It's a day to remember the ones that have given the ultimate sacrifice. It's a day of remembrance, a day of honor, a day of reflection. It's a day of celebration. Yeah, celebrate with your family and friends. It's a day to celebrate freedom. As you know, freedom is not free. You got to go and you got to get your freedom. You got to take your freedom back. We did not take our freedom. We were given our freedom. Yeah, we were given our freedom by the men and women of the United States military forces. They fought for our freedom and they gave it to us as they fight for our freedom every single day. And I appreciate the heck out of each and every one of you. So, for Shop Foreman Garage and a shop full of veterans, we like to say thank you and Happy Memorial Day! Woo! All right! Ready?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Full of veterans, we like to say thank you and happy Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Okay. It's gonna be.
I was about to say happy birthday.